Hello everybody, this is Greg, October 10, 5 p.m. Central Time. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin. I apologize, I haven't been posting for weeks on Bitcoin. I've been really busy with my work, my business. It's hard to get 10 minutes out of the day to do the update, but I've been actively trading. I'm also working on podcast, and we're gonna have our website and free email list. You guys can subscribe. Once a week you can get free email. It's a free subscription, so you're getting an email with technical analysis and the current projects they are going on and the news they are going in the space and what we think about everything. Doing this all for community. The podcast we are already working on for like 2 months probably already. Season 1 will be out soon. In season 2 we'll try to interview the best guys from crypto that we know. You guys will be able to ask them questions too. We'll probably do live episodes also later on, but this is everything for community. We're just trying to bring everybody together so we can all learn and profit and have fun while doing it. But let's go back to the Bitcoin. Similar pattern, 2014-15 forming, still in full bearish mode. Just as we start every Bitcoin video, let's talk from point where we left off, right? So that's where we were. We are on 1 hour chart, log scale currently. So we were making video right around here, and I told you guys that I'm spotting this, right? I told you guys about it. Right around here we were making a video, and we got a little higher high, not big of a difference, but there was a huge drop in the side, and I told you guys that I'll be probably closing my longs, going short, and then reloading longs at the support. So I basically made a chart which looked like this for you guys, and I told you that I'm not ready to short it yet full mode because this was the support. And I told you that I'm not ready to short here full mode yet because I want this indicator to be visible on 4 hour chart, not 1 hour chart. Remember, the bigger time frame, the stronger the indicator is. RSI, oversold, overbought levels. Don't use them too much, but negative and positive divergence, it's fucking awesome. Especially past few months, it's playing really well. Different, you just have to play between the time frames. The bigger the time frame, the better it is, but you can play it on 15 minutes, 5 minutes if you want to get like half of the percentage or quarter of the percentage and play those small if you're a day trader. I'm not, I'm looking more on the big picture. But I told you that since this is on small 1 hour time frame, I'll be looking to go into short heavy once I see this on 4 hour chart. So I gave you guys the tools, I gave you the chart, explained everything in the video. I hope you guys took this trade, because once we go on 4 hour chart, you guys see that it actually happened. It happened. We got another spike in the price. We went long here and another spike in the price, but the RSI actually dropped. That's an indicator to go short. I started shorting light over here since I started seeing this wicks, bunch of wicks over here, which is a rejection to the upside. But I wanted to really short heavy around this resistance over here around 7,500. I just got small shorts over here. We didn't get to this resistance over here, and we started dropping in like fucking 3 days. Okay, another thing that you guys might want to look at. By the way, I hope you guys took this trade and profit from it. If not, I'm gonna link a chart that I posted, explaining this, or you can go back to my profile and look under my video when I'm explaining everything in details, so you guys can learn and benefit. But the chart is gonna be posted under today's video, the old chart, so you can see it. Another thing, think about bulls pushing higher. They are pushing it for like 30 days, right? Yeah, like about 30 days they are trying to push it higher, and then it takes them probably around 20 days to drop it, right? So much quicker. Another, especially this one, it takes them what, 21 days to push it high, and takes them like 4 fucking days to drop, or even less if you count it from this week. Yeah, like 4 days to drop it. So they are still in control. I don't know why they are letting this support holding as strong, but I'm just playing the trend. What I am doing right now, trying to buy the supports and short resistances. So obviously buying, since we established here the support, right, the trend line. See this going? Here touching, bear trap, right? Bear trap. You guys see what they use to push the price higher? They use a bear trap to push the price higher. Here same thing, a bear trap to push the price higher. That is weakness, guys. That is fucking weak. If you're using bear traps to push the price higher, that means that you don't really have that much of bull power to push it higher. So you're trying to squeeze shorts to push it higher, because they know, bulls know, once they push it above like 70-100 over here, if they break this resistance and push it through this one, people can jump in and nothing can stop them. I mean, once the bulls are gonna jump in buying like crazy, this is gonna go up. But this, I don't think that this is time yet. So what I've been doing, basically buying this support, shorting the resistance. And once we establish another support over here, once we established another support right around, well, from this week, look, this is fucking perfect. I've been trying to buy the supports and shorting the resistances. So first I shorted like this resistance. After we had a breakout, I was adding here, and then same thing, I was shorting this resistance for past for past 2-3 weeks, a month almost, and then buying again the bottoms. We got a breakout over here, so I had another, you see this is a resistance, and I had more bits. If this would pass, I would just add more over here and then wait for this to test again, but we didn't even get all the way here. I was still short. Today my short got closed, I went long again on that wick on the bottom. So basically just setting my buys, setting my shorts, and that is fulfilling and making money. Not huge, it's like 1%, 1.5%, 2%, but I did it probably like 10 times, and it's close to 20% of my capital that I invested in. I'm not playing huge buys right now, because I don't know how long this is gonna play, but as long as it plays, I will be making, I made close to 20% already from my capital, which is pretty fucking good, especially when people are not making money just holding shorts or buying longs. It's pretty much the same for them. But this pattern is gonna finish sooner or later. Weak, yes, it's weak. First of all, you guys see the drops. Once bears attack, it fucking drops. It drops quick, and it will probably happen same this time. If you wanna look for bullish triangle, this is your triangle right here. So when you see, we've been testing the support so many times, but the resistance, not many times. Resistance, not many times. So that will probably break down. Right now, I'm long. If we drop below this, I'll probably sell, try to reload over here for long. We'll see if it's gonna hold. But right now, I'm just playing the small things, getting 1.5%, 2%. And guys, please do it on log scale. People trying to force charts on regular scale, this is when we start forming a channel. I mean, if you go like this, it doesn't make sense. If you go like this, you're missing this one, you're missing that one. They're trying to even do it. They're trying to do it even here, you know, and we break that already, and it's still not going up. So people are doing it wrong. I'm out of time. I will try to do another update soon, since too much to talk about today. Take care, guys. Look for it next few days. Bye bye.